Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool one right here, and basically what this is the PhoneSoap 3. And basically what the product is a UV sanitizer that you can also use as a charger as well. But the cool thing about this product is the fact that not only can you guys use it for your phone, but if you guys want to put like your keys, your credit cards, or some other product inside right here, you can definitely put inside right here to actually sanitize as well. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what actually looks like inside and what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when we first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So it looks like they provide you guys a little adapter right here, and then we have the actual device right here. So I'm going to take out all the wrappers right here first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so here is the power adapter or the charging cable right here that you have to use to plug it in to activate it. And right here we have the actual device. So when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It's all nicely wrapped. But I'm actually take off the wrapper first. So when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So the one that we got right here is an aqua color, but they do have it in different colors available. I believe like white, I believe black, and some other colors available as well. So this is what it looks like right here. Here's what it looks like right here. So this is the opening part, which I'll show you guys in a second. Here's what it looks like on this side. And this is basically what I'm going to put in the cable inside to charge your phone at the same time while sanitizing your phone. And then here's what it looks like on this side. If you guys look in the back right here, this is basically what it looks like right here. So we have the slot right here for you guys to plug in the cable to recharge it. And then we have two plug outlets right here. So you have a USB and a USB-C option. So that way you can charge two devices at the same time you guys want to. So that's actually really cool how to provide you guys that option. And then the very bottom, you can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. So they definitely have the non-slip material in the bottom, so that way when you guys put it onto a flat surface, it won't move around. But that is basically everything that's on the outside of the product right here. Let me actually peel out the tape and show you guys the inside. Alright, so you just want to pull it open like this. And this is basically what the inside looks like. So the way how to design the product will definitely give you guys that 360 sanitizing option or disinfecting option. But you see inside right here, they provide you guys a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to use it. So you see right here, they provide you guys instruction on how to use the product and how to know when it's done, and also how to know when it's actually working. But that is basically everything that's on the product in terms of what is actually included in the package and what's actually inside right here. So basically all you guys need to do is just put your phone right here. It doesn't matter which side you guys put it. Once you guys put inside right here, you can definitely plug in your cable inside right here to charge it if you guys want to, because the cable definitely fits through right here and it is safe to actually charge it while you guys are sanitizing your phone. And then see the inside right here is actually pretty spacious as well. So if you guys want to put like your keys in here or your wallet or credit card, you can definitely fit all of that in here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually put this on the table and test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. Alright, so right here with the product, let me actually plug it in first. So I'm plugging the cable that we have right here in the back. So right here. But basically all you're going to do is open it up and put your phone inside. But before I do that, I do want to plug the cable in the back to see when that actually works. So I'm plugging the back right here. And we're trying to charge our iPhone that we have right here. Alright, so that definitely does work. Let's try out the other one as well. So the other one that we have right here is a USB output, if you can see right here. And we'll use that to charge our power bank. So here's our power bank right here. Alright, so you see that that is working as well. So it's definitely charging our power bank that we have right here, and also charging our phone that we have right here. And if you guys look really carefully, you can definitely see the light right here. So that's how you guys know that the product is on. But what we want to do now is to actually put a phone inside and test it out to see how it works. So let's put a phone inside right here, and you guys want to put the cables through right here. So once you guys put your phone inside right here, you want to close the lid. So once you guys close the lid, you guys can see the light pops on right here, and that's how you guys know the product is working and sanitizing your product. So they mentioned how it should take roughly around 10 minutes for it to actually fully sanitize the phone. So we'll leave it here for around like 10 minutes and come back and check on it. Alright, so you see the light turned off by itself, so that is how you guys know when it's done. So if you guys open it up, then you guys are basically all done. You can take it out. And if you guys want to sanitize other stuff, you can definitely put it in here as well. So let's say for example, if I want to sanitize my wallet, I can go like this and close it up and just let it sanitize the wallet. And that is basically how you use the product, if you can see. So definitely it is super cool because of the fact that how you guys can actually sanitize almost anything in here, ranging from keys to wallets to your phone. And you guys can actually sanitize your phone while it's charging your phone at the same time, or you can charge another device at the same time as well, if you can see right here, which is pretty awesome. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product, and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use. It's literally so easy to use, and I definitely love the option how you guys can actually charge your phone or device at the same time while it's actually sanitizing your phone or device. And it's also really cool how they give you guys the extra outlet as well, so if you guys want to charge another device at the same time on top of the actual device that you guys already have inside, that's actually really cool as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to quick unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys need to sanitize all your stuff, whether it be like your wallet, your phone, or some other stuff that you guys use a lot, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.